Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm the Chief Financial Officer. We work in the oil and gas industry, and I would rate ClickTime a 5 out of 5. Prior to using ClickTime, we used manual Excel time tracking sheets, which presented challenges because we didn't have a software that could manually or electronically calculate costs per hour or number of man hours. It was a very tedious and labor-intensive process. We chose QuickTime because of its web-based connectivity, its ability to allow our users to track their time more concisely in a more real-time fashion, as well as presented management with direct reporting that was easily calculable as compared to the manual timesheets we were using in the past. This allowed us to more effectively manage our team, more effectively manage our projects, and really just presented us with better tools to measure against our KPIs. QuickTime was an easy onboarding process. My team and I, we did the front end work of getting all of the tasks set up, the applicable billable rates, as well as the projects that we were using the software for. So on the front end, there was a little bit of setup work, but nothing overly complicated or nothing to where it was an insurmountable hurdle to get involved. The training associated with getting the team members on board was pretty simple. They had tutorials, and then the QuickTime folks actually helped us with any questions that we had. They had a portal for us to get folks involved with any specific questions that my team couldn't answer. So overall, the onboarding process was pretty simplistic and easy, and we were happy with that, considering some of the alternatives we looked at were much more complicated processes. I would suggest to anyone that's looking for a time tracking system to do your research. There are many different portals and tools out there that can accomplish your needs. But what I would suggest is the userability has to be easy. The transition to getting your team from your current provider into a new provider has to be pretty low in terms of the amount of effort, time, and difficulty. QuickTime allowed all of those things to be pretty easy and seamless from a transition standpoint. Cost also was a big factor for us. For the product that we get with QuickTime, the pricing is very fair in terms of what you get for the dollar spent per person is up there in terms of value added for our organization. So those things really is just ease of getting your staff on board. The portal by which you actually put in the data has to be user friendly and user visually appealing, which QuickTime is, and then ultimately cost per user were the big drivers that I would say any person looking to utilize a system of this nature needs to evaluate.